Namaste. Today we will learn about comprehensions in Python. Please make sure that you understand it clearly. But if you stuck at any point, comment it down below. I will be happy to answer it. Now, let's begin with the answer. What exactly is comprehension? Comprehension shortens the process of initialization by a lot. It makes the code more Pythonic. Using comprehensions in our code can shorten the lines of code while keeping the logic still intact. Moving on to list comprehensions. List comprehension is an elegant way to define and create list based on existing list. Suppose we want to separate the letters of the word subscribe and add the letters as an item of the list. The first thing that comes in mind would be using for loop. When we run the program, the output will be this. However, Python has an easier way to solve this issue by using list comprehension. Let's see how the above program can be written using list comprehension. When we run the program, the output will be this. In the above example, a list is assigned to a variable like, and list contains the item of the iterable string subscribe. We call print function to receive the output. Syntax of list comprehension is expression for item in list. List comprehensions can utilize conditional statements to modify existing list. When we run the above program, the output will be this. The list share will be populated by the items in range from 0 to 10 if the item's value is divisible by 2. Now let's talk about dictionary comprehension. Dictionary comprehension is an elegant and concise way to create dictionaries. Consider the following code. In both programs, we have created a dictionary square with name square key value pair. However, using dictionary comprehension allowed us to create a dictionary in a single line. The minimal syntax for dictionary comprehension is dictionary key value for what's in iterable. Now, let's see how we can use dictionary comprehensions using data from another dictionary. Item price in dollars, dollar to pound. Here, we can see that we retrieved the item price in dollars and converted them to pounds. Using dictionary comprehensions make this task much simpler and shorter. We can further customize dictionary comprehensions by adding conditionals to it. Let's look at an example. In this case, only the items with an odd value of less than 10 have been added to the new dictionary. It is because of the multiple if clause in the dictionary comprehension. They are equivalent to add operation where both conditions have to be true. Thanks for watching. Any questions regarding this video, comment it down below. I will answer them ASAP, and subscribe for more awesome topics like this, or share it with your friends to make it more fun. Until the next video, take care.